Have you ever wondered why you say or do things during fights and relationships that you later regret? Well, research says it's actually not your fault, because it's your brain who is literally hijacking your body. Inside of our brain sits the amygdala, sometimes also called reptilian brain, because it's one of the oldest parts of our brain. Think of it as your ancient bodyguard, designed for one and only one job: keeping you alive. When our ancestors spotted a tiger in the jungle, amygdala activated instantly. And it works the same way today, in two steps. First, it detects a threat. Then, it forces you into action, either fight or flight. Sounds familiar? Because this is exactly what happens during fights and relationships. But how can a tiny brain region force us to act? It's brilliant, actually. Well, first, it shuts down our logical thinking. Then, it floods us with powerful emotions that tell a compelling story about what we must do right now. This is when we become an emotional robot who feels in danger. We literally lose control. But here is the thing. We no longer live in the same environment where our amygdalas worked best. We're not dealing with daily threats anymore. Those times are long gone. But the amygdala hasn't changed. It still looks for dangers and gets activated wherever it sees one. And research shows our amygdala activates during relationship conflicts. For whatever reason, it makes us see our loving partner as a threat. It often starts telling us dramatic stories, such as, they did this on purpose, or we are going to break up. There is no limit to amygdala's creativity. And the most dangerous part is that under its influence, we feel completely entitled to blame, criticize, or ignore our partner, because our brain convinces us they did something really, really wrong, and so deserve it. So next time you feel that anger rising, remember, it's just your ancient bodyguard trying to protect you from a threat that isn't really there. And if you want to learn how to deal with yours and your partner's amygdala, leave a comment so I know you're interested, and I will make a video on this topic.